Tucked in the Blue Ridge Mountains in Sapphire, North Carolina is the DIY Network Ultimate Retreat 2018. It's time for a really quick look at this amazing house, so let's get started right here in the great room. It's an expansive space that includes a seating area situated around this custom two-sided fireplace. There's also a spot great for meals with a modern table surrounded by farmhouse-style chairs. Next door is the kitchen, where a huge 12-foot long quartz island has seating for 4. Modern gray cabinetry with a crisp white tile backsplash and reclaimed wood accents complete this rustic, modern space. Now it's on to the master suite. Pass through the study with a workspace for 2 to get to the elegant and stylish master bedroom. Next door is the master bathroom, which features a double vanity and a wet room, with showers and a large soaking tub surrounded by marble and stacked stone. Now let's check out the rest of the house. Reclaimed barnwood is the star of this bunk room that sleeps 4. And this paint by number style mural is totally unique to this home. Next door is the light and bright guest room. And a cheerful laundry room has plenty of workspace and style. And there you have it, a quick look at this stunning home that I would definitely call an ultimate retreat.